Finally, Act 3, the General Assembly resolution demanding compliance. On July 20, 2004, following the court's decision, the General Assembly adopted another resolution, and after noting the court's conclusion, it provides in its operative paragraphs that the General Assembly demands that Israel, the occupying power, comply with its legal obligation, as mentioned in the advisory opinion, to calls upon all states members of the United Nations to comply with their legal obligations, as mentioned in the advisory opinion, and requests the Secretary General to establish a register for damages and so on. That the UN is biased against Israel has been known for some time. Some 20 years ago, Professor Thomas Frank, a prominent international law scholar, did a study of whether there is a double standard at the UN. At that time, he concluded that there was not, except with respect to Israel. And a year ago, at a conference on anti-Semitism held at the UN, the first such conference in 60 years, Anne Bayevsky gave a very eloquent speech in which she listed the numerous biases in the UN. But those of us who believe in the rule of law had hoped that the International Court of Justice, the very symbol of law, would be different. That hope was shattered by its decision on the legality of Israel's barrier to protect its citizens against terrorist attacks. Under the guise of seeking legal guidance, the General Assembly attempted to co-opt and politicize the court. Regrettably, it succeeded. The court's decision to give an advisory opinion, its acceptance of the question as formulated by the General Assembly, and its answer to that question have seriously compromised the court's credibility. Thank you.
Thank you very much.